Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I'm here to do the reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit for 2022. And this is our tag kit. And I'm going to start off with the 6x8 stamp set. This is called Merry and Sweet, and it features a bunch of gingerbread men and they're doing different activities. There are also a couple of gingerbread houses and many messages that you can add to your tags and smaller items. Another item that we have for you in the kit is the embossing folder, and this is called Twirling. It resembles peppermint candies. I don't know if you can see that image either on the embossing folder or on the paper that I've used. So it's really easy to use. You put your paper inside, close it down, and run it through your die cutting machine. Also in this kit is a set of 7 3x3 stencils, and these are called Build a Snowman. And it has all your different parts and pieces that you can use, and I've done a really light image of a snowman using the knit cap, the face, the carrot, and the scarf. So you have different options that you can mix and match to create your snowman. We have another 6x6 stencil for you, and this is called the cookie sheet, and it has all the different rails and parts that you can put together to create a cookie sheet outline. And then you can also stencil in your little gingerbread, and it has the little parts that you can also use with some of your pastes or glitter gels. We're also including a gingerbread man die, and this has all those little pieces and parts that you can add to the body. And to add some color to your gingerbread man and your stencils, we're including a full pad of the cappuccino positively saturated ink along with a small blending brush. I've used it on my die around the edges so that it looks like it's fresh out of the oven with some frosted details. To go with the gingerbread theme, we have Craft Consortium papers, and they have really cute detailed scenes with gingerbread houses and trees, and also some candy stripes on the back. There's also a really pretty brown motif, and then on the front side it has a bunch of words, and you can turn these either way. You could also cut these up and put them onto your cards. The next sheet is a pink and red candy stripe, and then on the back side it has 4 panels that you can cut up and then add little tags and ribbons to the top, plus a message. There's a beautiful snowflake blue, and then on the back side it's almost a reverse in color. Then there's a nice brown sheet that has all sorts of presents in different colors, and then on the back side it has snowmen and also presents and other panels. Then there are some baubles with a black background, and then on the other side is baubles on a beige background. The next sheet is a full 6x6 with scenes, and it has those trees and snowmen and also presents, bears, and tiny gingerbread men at the bottom. The next sheet is a white background, and it has a variety of presents, and on the back side is that motif with a little bit redder color. There's also some twigs that are shaped like Christmas trees, and on the back side is a pink background with red trees. And the last sheet is an embossed sheet, so you have a nice little shine to it, and that's all those messages on a white background, and then a distressed looking pink background on the backside. To go with your papers, we're also including some Craft Consortium Candy Christmas Chipboard ephemera, and there are all the little gingerbread men and houses and trees. There's also some bears, and it matches perfectly with all the elements on your papers. And these are perfect to make some really quick tags for the holidays. Also included in this kit are 2 bottles of Tim Holtz mica sprays. You'll get the Shiny Bauble, which is a beautiful blue, and also the Cocktail Party, which is a nice bright pink. These have that gorgeous sheen that when you turn it to the light, it really shines. We're also including a pack of the American Crafts Party Trims. So you have a scalloped edge paper. You also have a nice shiny ribbon and then some flags and also some baker's twine, all in green. We're also including a white Sakura Jelly Roll pen, and this is really great for personalizing your tags with names and messages. And it has a really nice fine tip point and a tight fitting cap. Also included in the kit are the Tim Holtz Ideology red and white confections, and you'll get 3 of each shape. And now for the tags, you'll get 15 of the white tags, and those measure 6 1/4 by 3 1/8. A pack of 10 craft tags that measured 4 3/4 by just a little over 2 1/4. Also, a pack of red tags that measure 2 by 3.5, and they also come with some gold twine. And finally, you'll get 6 of the white with the silver rim, and these come with also some gold thread. And then the gold rim tags, and they have a little bit of a shimmer to the paper, and those come also with some twine. And to round off the card kit, you're going to get 2 cardstocks. One is Desert Storm and Nina Solar White. This is such a fun kit, and up next I have some inspiration from our designers. I've created a tag where I used the embossing folder, and then I also die cut the gingerbread man, used some of the ephemera and also the papers to decorate the front. Kelly used the cookie sheet stencil to create her cookie sheet, and then she put some of the ephemera on top and also die cut a cute tag from the gingerbread man. Barbara Terrio created a lot of the craft tags, and she used the ephemera and then white embossed her messages on top. And finally, Mindy Egan created her snowman using the stencil and a cute little winking eye with a stamp message at the bottom and a couple of the gingerbread man tags. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our latest tag kit for the holidays. Remember, this is a limited edition and is only available while supplies last. Please check out the description box below to see how to purchase this and also a link to our blog post with additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.